If you think the recent arrests have nothing to do with you, think again. Palestine solidarity activists are the canary in the coal mine. Their persecution is a preview of what is coming. A full-on authoritarian regime is emerging as we speak. We are facing a polycrisis far beyond the genocide in Gaza. But Gaza highlights the hypocrisies of the post-World War II liberal international order and Western claims to uphold the Universal Declaration of Human Rights and the many blind spots and weaknesses of American democracy. Suppression of criticism of Israel on university campuses and the bogus claim that expressions of solidarity with the Palestinian people, endangered Jews, were the wedge of MAGA authoritarians and their Democratic Party enablers to attack freedom of speech, immigrant rights, trans rights, liberal higher education, and evidence-based critical thinking. Targeting non-citizen Palestinians and Palestine solidarity activists is only the first step in the authoritarian assault on democratic rights envisioned in Project 2025 and Project Esther.